Alright, what's going on, guys? Today, me and my assistant Beckham, my little man Beckham, we're gonna be installing the D2 lowering springs on my Accord. I don't know if y'all can even hear me, it's kind of loud, but alright, so I'm gonna pull my car out into the driveway and then we getting started. Alright guys, this is my Honda Accord 2021 Touring. So I know the curb rash is so bad. I'm on 20s right now, so the fitment's a little bit better, but as you can see, like, I'm still like pretty damn monster truck, bro. You can literally see under the car. So we're finna lower this, bro. We're finna fix this, bro. So lowering it about 2 inches. I can literally fit, shit, I think I can fit 3 fingers in here. I can fit 3 fingers in this gap. It's crazy. I think the front's gonna be a little bit lower than the rest. Yeah, to help like level it out though, I got a front lip. All right, I got a front lip. So here are the springs though, D2 lowering springs. I don't know if I'm gonna put the front lip on today. It depends on how long it takes me to get these springs done. Let me know in the comments if anything you recommend I should do or change. Anything about the tire, the wheels, bro, like I already know, bro. I'm already getting new rims. I think I might actually get these just powder coated. I'm gonna keep the same rims, I think, just get them powder coated and fix the curb rash. Yeah, guys, let me know. I'm about to get a new diffuser too soon, I think. I don't really like these exhaust tips. They're not straight either, so kind of takes me off. So yeah, and they keep hitting my diffuser, which keeps making this super loud buzzing noise and knocking my diffuser down. So we're just gonna wing it, bro. It is what, 10:30, starting at 10:30. Let's get started. Let's see how long this let's see how many hours this takes. Let's see what goes wrong. Hey, it's all part of the process, so let's go ahead and get started. Yeah, let's go, bro. All right, guys. Oh, you cannot see me. Hope you guys can hear me. It's kind of loud. Hold on. Actually, let me, bro. My dad is cutting the grass, bro. Hold on. All right, guys. So got my wheels off. Took off this link right here. Now there's a pinch bolt right here, but it's kind of stuck, and I don't want to strip it. I would hate to strip it, so I'm just going to let it sit. I sprayed with PB Blaster for about 15 minutes. I'm gonna let it sit, and then we gonna see. Hopefully it comes right off. Honestly, this should be smooth sailing, bro. This should on the back there's all I have to do is remove 2 screws, and then front just have to I mean, I gotta take the spring off, spring compressor. Hopefully when I come back 15 minutes they'll come right off, bro, because then it'll be smooth sailing, bro. Alright, so try to use the PB Blaster and get it off, but still not coming off. Tried to use the torch too, still not coming off. Put more PB Blaster on. Gonna wait 20 minutes. I'm about to eat lunch, and then I'll let it sit for while I'm eating lunch, and then hopefully this shit comes off. Alright guys, so tried again, tried a few more times and still no luck. So I decided while I'm in the, I put more PB Blaster on. I'm gonna let it sit for like an hour and a half. I decided, like, in the meantime while I wait, I'm just gonna start installing the front lip. So after I wait hour and a half, try it one more time, and then after that, if it doesn't work, I'm not gonna lie, I might put the wheels back on, put the PB Blaster on when I come home tonight, because we going to a party tonight, so you know we out, so you know I gotta have my car. So I'm gonna come home and I'm gonna let the PB Blaster sit overnight. Hopefully tomorrow after I come home from church it'll be good. I've literally done fucking everything, so yeah, bro, but hopefully it works. I always jinx myself. I always say it's gonna take 2 hours, 3 hours, and then what is it, literally 5 hours later, I'm still in the same boat. So yeah, I'm gonna put the front lip on and I'll show you guys what it looks like when I'm done. All right guys, just got done putting on the front lip. What do y'all think, bro? What do y'all think? Took literally like an hour, not even that long. Screwed everything in underneath. It actually fits good. Like I think I got the perfect fitment. Like actually, I think I got it perfect. I like it, and I think when I finish lowering it, it's really gonna like add to like its presence on the ground, I guess. I don't know how to explain that, but it'll just look better. All right, so we have how much time is left, bro? Let me look at my phone. Timer is off, so that means that it's time to try that pinch bolt again. Let that PB Blaster. I let it sit for over an hour and a half. I let it sit for a while, a long time. So hey, let's pray to God, and let's pray to God and hope that I can get this off and I can get this done, bro. All right, what's going on, guys? It's the next day. Didn't even let it sit overnight. I'm not even gonna lie. I couldn't, because I realized that once I put the wheel on, I had to take the wheel back off in order to get to the pinch bolt, so it was too late for that. So what I'm gonna do is, it is the next day. It's a beautiful day, actually. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the rear first, and the reason I'm gonna do the rear is because there's only 2 bolts that hold this whole thing on. That's it. The front, I have to do the spring and everything. So I'm gonna do the rear first, and then while I'm doing the rear, I'm gonna let the PB Blaster sit on the front. So So I'm about to put the PB Blaster on the front right now, and then put the wheel back on, and then jack up the back, take the rear wheels off, and then do the springs. So there's only 2 bolts that are holding that lower control arm, so hopefully they're not seized, arrested, or anything. Beckham, you chilling? Yeah. All right, so let's go ahead and let's get to it, bro. All right, what's going on, guys? It is it's actually a few days later. So ran into a problem. Oh, it was raining. I don't know, it was raining. What the hell? In the back, had to take off the entire lower control arm, man. Like, look at all these tools and shit. Like, so basically there was a pinch bolt link, lower control arm link, that was not stripped, but there's a rubber grommet that's supposed to keep it still, so that when you twist, when you're taking it off, or that it just doesn't move. I say this car, what's the car? It's a car about 5 years old. So I don't know, it's just, I don't know if it's from the weather or what, but it's just worn down. So I had to wait a few days. It's a whole thing. I had to go to Fisher Honda, everything, had to order the parts. Finally came though, got the new parts right here that I need to put on, and a new bolt. The guy was super nice at Honda though, and he gave me every single torque spec for the entire car. Hey, W him, because he did not have to do that, because this stuff you cannot just get. You can't just search this stuff up for real. Actually, sometimes you can, some of it free, some of it you can, but some of the things you can't. W him, shout out to him, my boy Matt at Fisher Honda. Great guy, but God bless him. So I already did the other spring in the back. Let me show you guys real quick. Like, this is literally like a 3-hour job max, and it literally turned into like 4 days, bro. So that's how it always is. That's how it was with the downpipe too. So it is what it is though. But as you see here, purple spring back there, new lowering springs in. I'm gonna go ahead and put the other one on the other side, and then we gotta wait for the front. So I did spray those with PB Blaster last week. No, not last week. I forgot what day it was, but I sprayed them with PB Blaster, and it's been sitting for, I don't even know how long. I might have to spray them again, but do the back, other back one, and then we do the front. So let's go ahead, get this done. It's sprinkling a little bit, and it's supposed to actually start raining at like 7. It's like 3:40 right now, so go ahead and try and get all this shit done. I'll show you guys the final product. I'll see you guys at the end when I'm all done. I'm show you guys the final stance of the car. All right, guys, told y'all I'd hit y'all up when it's done. Finally done. Big here in Big Mo Auto. Shout out to them. My boy got it done for me. Hey, bro, it looks crazy, bro. Finally got that shit lowered. That shit actually goes crazy now. Before you could put 2 in here. Now it's only 1 in the back. I might lower it a little bit more in the back. Back's not bad, but God damn, it's all done, bro. Finally sits perfectly, man. I feel like the front look really makes it look lower, makes it look good, makes it look better. We need to get rear camber in the back, and then hey, we're done. So thank you guys so much for watching though. This crazy past week, hey, we finally got it done, and I love it. So thank you guys everyone for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Hey. Walk hard, then my twin on go. My dog bitch, she straight from Vogue. Change it up, that swag was old. Spent some commas on my clothes. Ain't no help it, just my